We invite you to participate in the International Unity event, Tree of Life Roots of Unity, which will take place as part of the XXX All Ukrainian Open Festival of Children's and Youth Creativity, dedicated to World Earth Day. Tree of Life Roots of Unity is a metaphor designed to add resilience and remind us of the power of unity. Take a sheet of paper and draw a tree. You can draw a tree of any size, shape, and color. This exercise helps to demonstrate the nature of unity in the world and the power of connection in communities. Trees reflect our stories, each unique, but like trees in a forest, they are all part of something larger. By creating your Tree of Life and Mycelium, we not only see our own history, but also realize our belonging to a community where our common features are the threads that weave us together, making us stronger. This exercise is intended to remind us of the importance of respect for our common living environment and the connection between children of Ukraine and children from all over the world. As you draw your tree, think about writing words in it that represent different aspects of who you are. On the roots of your tree, write where you come from, your culture, country, favorite foods, etc. On the trunk of your tree, note your skills and abilities. What can you do? What do you like to do? On the branches of your tree, what are your goals? What do you hope for? What are your wishes for yourself and for others? At the top of the tree, draw any kind of leaves. You can use any colors on these leaves. You can write the names of people who are important to you. add soil around your tree and write on it what you can do today, right now, for yourself and your community. On the right side of the drawing, write in bright paint in Ukrainian or English the most important value that unites you with other people. Discuss this part of the exercise with the students. Give them the opportunity to share their results and talk about their trees. If you are doing this exercise with a group of students, invite them to find something common among all the trees, for example, shared values. At this stage, we suggest you take a break or even continue the next day. Please focus on the needs of those you are working with. Take a new sheet of paper and draw at least 5 mushrooms. In each of which write something that is important to you and your community. This can be a person's name, a value you share, for example, justice, a phrase that represents something important. If you want to write more than 5 words or phrases, please draw the required number of mushrooms. When you finish drawing, look at all the individual mushrooms. Try to find something that connects one mushroom to another, draw a line between them, and write a phrase along the line that explains the essence of this connection. Discuss this part of the exercise with the students. Give them the opportunity to share their results and talk about the mushroom networks. If you are doing this exercise with a group of students, invite them to find something common among all the mushrooms and draw each other's mushrooms into their networks. Explain to the students how they can participate in the International Unity event. They need to take a photo of their work and upload the photo of the finished work in the questionnaire via the link, filling in all the fields of the electronic form.